Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can change your Instagram personal account to professional account. So first of all, let me go here and type instagram.com. After that, now you need to go and click on profile button. Then click on settings. After that, click on settings and privacy. Now on the left side you can see scroll bar, scroll down. Click on account type and tools. Then click switch to professional account. And now if you are a content creator or digital product seller, then you can select this one. For the physical business you can go with this one. So let me go with creator account, then click on next button, then again scroll down, click on next, then select the category, scroll down, then click on done, click on continue button. So now here you can see we got message Instagram creator account is ready, then click on button done. Scroll down, click on professional account, then you can add here business email, WhatsApp number, scroll down, then you can also add phone number to receive calls and text messages, then click on submit button.